Welcome to AutoRepair Cloud page. We would like to introduce a new TechDocs function for our application. This section was created to make your search for various technical documentation and information such as repair instructions manual, technical characteristics, OBD information, and etc. more convenient. Here, you can find all necessary technical information for the vehicle you are working on. Let's take a closer look at this function. First, select year, make, model, and trim you need to find. Repair docs. Note that in order to use this function, you will need to download a special extension, and if you want to use Chilton Library, you will need to enter your library card number. This is quite easy to set up. We will show you how to. Go to Configuration, Technical, TechDocs. Press the Install button. After the Store tab opens up, press Add to Chrome and wait until the extension setup is completed. After you installed the extension, you may start searching and watching the repair manuals in the Repair Docs section. To use the repair manuals from Chilton Library, you will need to enter the library card number for Chilton and USA only. Enter your library card number, click on the check mark, and wait for synchronizing. After that, go back to the Repair Docs section. Enter the repair description and press Search. You can see all the results of your inquiry and their description. You can also see the preliminary list by clicking on the arrow. Clicking on the link will take you to the source site. It might take a little longer than a minute to open the extension, so please wait until the download is complete. To narrow search results, use the search filter. Selection of a source or a guide type will quickly bring up the results of your search. Labor estimate. This section will demonstrate how much time is required for various types of repair. You can either select the required repair type manually or use Search. Maintenance. Here you can access all information about a vehicle's technical maintenance and find out the date and type of required service depending on mileage. Auto parts. This section will allow you to find a necessary part and information about it, as well as to order it from a supplier. You can search by part number, manufacturer, or just by description. After you find the required part, click on it to display detailed information. Additional information about vehicle parts can be found in this video. Specification. Here you will find detailed information about technical characteristics of all vehicles. Fluids. Detailed description of all fluids used by a vehicle is given in this section. Tire and wheels. This section contains information about tires, front and rear wheels. OBD TDC. Enter the error code into the search field. In this section, you can search for the error code, look up its description, reasons and symptoms of the problem. You can check the data by clicking inside the search filter. Thank you for watching our client web portal review. If you think this video is useful, please click the like button and subscribe to see our videos and stay updated.